Dear friends, today I am going to show you how you can make a professional educational video with this setup. To make a professional educational video, what you need, these are the few things you need to make a professional educational video. For that I am taking this Note 3, you see here, and I am taking as one black color or green color, right? We have taken a new slide, and you see I am showing you what are the basic needs to make a professional educational video. In the next video I will show you the different methods or different methods to make educational video. Today I am going to show you how to make a professional educational video. What are the basic needs? These are the various types of hardware. You see here, this is the various types of hardware, and these are the software. This is the hardware and this is the software. Now you see, I am going to show you what are the different types of hardware and software to make a professional educational video. Right? Let us. I am going to show you the various types of professional educational video. Now, what are the basic needs to make a professional educational video that I am going to show you, right? First one, what you see, that what you get the different types of hardware and software, right? Let us see what are the different types of hardware and software you need. In hardware, what we need, the first one, what we need is see here, let us take a white color so that it can be reflected in the whiteboard in a better way. You see, these are the various types of hardware. In first hardware, first I am going to tell you about the software. In first software, what we need, that is the OBS software, OBS to record our videos, number one. And number two is we need this is the recording software, right? This is the recording software, and another one is the Vinci. This is the what we call it as editing software. And what is the cost of these two software? The cost of this software is free of cost. There is no cost, free of cost. You can use these both software as OBS and the Vinci free of cost, and you can make a professional educational video. What are the basic needs of hardware to make such type of educational video? Number one, what we call it as laptop or computer. You need a laptop or a computer to make such type of educational video, right? Number one, laptop or computer, and the versions should be from i5 to i7. i5 minimum is i5, i9 you can use this configuration. Number two, what you need, a pen tab. You need a pen tab to make such type of videos. Number three, you need a green screen. You need a green screen. You need a green screen. And later on I am going to tell you the cost of all these things. Number four, what you need, a tripod. You need a tripod. Number five, what you need, pen tab, green screen, tripod, laptop, all these things, and mobile also. Mobile, you can use mobile as webcam, or you can take another webcam also in your computer or in your laptop. Either you can use a webcam or you can use your mobile also. Now I am going to tell you what are the cost to make such type of educational videos. If you want buy a laptop or a computer, it depends on the configuration of the laptop and computer. That's why I am not going to tell you the cost of these things. Now pen tab. The cost of pen tab is nearly 3,500 to 6,000. But if you buy around 6K 6,000 rupees, in 6,000 rupees, then it is one of the best pen tab. You can use the XP pen also, XP pen. What I am using is XP pen tab, and it is one of the best pen tab for teachers. Green screen. In green screen, the cost of this green screen is nearly 250. Tripod. If you use a tripod, it nearly cost about 850. Mobile, according to your need, right? Now this cost, what you need, if you take 6,000, 850, 1,000, 1,100, 7,100, 7,100. This is the cost to make such type of educational video, right? And you see here, what you are using here, OBS and DaVinci, that is editing software, and this is free of cost. But if you invest this much money to make a professional educational video like this, right? Later I am going to tell you what are the basic, how to make a professional educational video with OBS. Now these are this is the first part, how to make a professional educational video with OBS. In the next part I am going to show you how to make a professional educational video with OBS, how to connect the phone, how to connect the pen tab. There are various things you need to know, we need to learn to make such type of professional educational video. This is the part 1. This is part 1, to make a professional educational video. This is part 1. And later on I am going to show you how to make a professional educational video with the help of all these things, that is a pen tab, a green screen, tripod, and how we can set up video setup, how you can set up all these things to make a professional educational video. Dear friend, this is the first part to know about OBS, and later on I am going to show you how to make a professional educational video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and the next video I am going to explain how to use this OBS software to make a professional educational video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.